Yeah.
Yeah. Then P for Papa.
Yeah.
Then you need to type the number 5 and after that number 3.
Yeah.
And after that you need to get a single dot.
Yeah.
Com. COM.
Right. Okay.
Oscar Michael.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
After that, click on the OK button. Can you please tell me what have you typed, sir?
So I've got I've turned up with TeamViewer, Super Remo, Go to Assist, AMI, and TeamViewer for Macintosh.
Okay, just hold the line. So let me transfer you to the technician because I'm not getting what you're saying to me. Hold the line.
Okay, now this is Edmund, and this call is transferred to me. So
Yeah. Okay.
Can you tell me what exactly you can see on your screen?
I've got 5 different support boxes.
Okay. And what is written on that box?
Sorry. Well, I'm on the website help53.com.
Yes. Now in the house53.com, you can see 5 boxes where the
Yeah, like TeamViewer, Go to Assist, AMI, and Super Remo.
Just click on the first one, TeamViewer.
Yeah. Okay, and then I've got a box saying run, save, or cancel on it.
Click on Run.
Click on run. Okay. Okay, now I've got a box come up saying, do you want to allow this app?
Yes, click on Yes.
Okay. Right, yep, I've now got a screen come up with TeamViewer Quick Support.
Yeah, now you can see it says allow remote control and generated ID and the password, right?
Yep, that's correct.
Okay, now these are the numbers so that we will connect the computer now, okay? This is a one-time ID and the password, so can you tell me the numbers which is there?
Yeah, okay, so the ID is 935
935
185 949
Okay.
and the password is 2081.
Okay, your ID is, can you confirm your ID once again, sir?
935 18
5
yeah 185
185
949.
949.
Yeah,
And the password is 2081, right?
that's correct. Yep, you're obviously coming in because it's coming up.
Okay, alright. Just wait, sir. Don't do anything, okay? We are shortly connecting your computer.
Right. The lady earlier on's already been in here.
Yeah, alright, sir. Now you can see your computer is operating itself now. That means it is successfully connected and the technician is already start working your computer.
Right.
Now you can see it brings you all the list of errors and the warnings, right?
Yeah, oh yeah, yeah, we can see that.
Errors and the warnings has date, time, and sources, right?
Yeah.
And you can see from the last few days, your computer is generating so much errors and the warnings.
Yeah,
Can
definitely.
you tell me how many errors and the warnings you can see?
Well, I'm sure if you're in my computer, you can see it.
Yeah, we can see the same thing. So you can see number of events. It is in thousands.
Yeah.
Right? That means if you scroll down the page, you will find these number of errors and the warnings which is generated in your computer. As you can see that, right?
Yeah.
So do you have any idea
Well, I've seen it on the average computer, to be honest.
Uh-huh.
So, yeah, as far as I'm aware, they're standard warnings. Can I have a look at your computer and see how many errors are on your computer?
Sorry?
Can I have a look at your computer and see how many errors are on your computer? Because I assume you're phoning because there's a big issue with these errors, and that, you know, it's not a normal thing. So how many errors have you got on yours? You can 100% say to me that your errors are 0.
Sir, we haven't got any errors warnings because this is our computer, and the technician is providing the services from this computer, right? And
Right.
it is not the normal computer which you are using.
Right. So your computer is special over everyone else's in the world. Because I'm sure other computers I've seen have these sort of errors on them.
We need to see what's going on in the computer.
Right.
Right. So I'm asking to you, have you ever seen it before? The report which I can show you. Because
Well, no, because it's not a general area that people tend to look.
and corrupting the software of your computer.
Right.
And it is already corrupted some of the important software. You know, the thousands of the softwares are running in your system.
Right. Okay. Well, it's weird because my computer is running perfectly fine. Yeah. Yeah. It's bizarre because my computer works perfectly fine.
It works properly fine because this is the stage of the corruption. Now you can see, as you can see, for every day your computer is generating errors and the warnings, right?
Right.
Which numbers are increasing day by day, right?
Yeah.
I'm showing you the list of the software which is not working, which is infected by these kind of infections. And
Okay.
it's the warning because you know the thousand of the software is running each and every operating system, and I'm showing you what is the status of the software. Not good. Now you can see another screen. It says system configuration and the list of the software and their status. Right? You can see here all the software status. Some of the software says running, some of says stopped. So you need to think that these are the softwares which is stopped working in your computer. Okay?
Okay.
Giving you any kind of pop-up. And whenever you try to pop in, it says error. And the warning is always indicating you that whatever the software is running in your computer, very soon one day it will stop working. That is why always it is giving you the warning.
Right. And so Microsoft are phoning. Oh.
Work in your computer. How do you use
Yeah.
computer?
Okay.
You cannot able to use it. You can lose all the stuff, pictures, files, data, whatever you have in your computer. It will delete it for money.
Right. So what you're saying, right, is Microsoft are offering a free of charge service. They're going round phoning every single customer that they have running Microsoft Windows, whatever the version may be, and are offering to fix up where Microsoft have clearly gone wrong.
Now, I'm telling you that we are providing the services free, okay, to the customers who have the problems. You know, have computer having the Windows license number, okay, and whenever the computer generates
Hold on a second. Hold on, I can't hear you. Hold on, I can't hear you. Jesus. I'd stop talking because I can't hear you because a compressor has just gone off in the area. Right, I couldn't hear you because a compressor had gone off in the background.
what's that?
I could not hear you because a compressor had gone off in the background. So the compressor was louder than you were because your line is so quiet.
What are you saying?
Don't worry. So what? So, you know, I can't barely hear you. I don't know what sort of line you're calling from, but it must be like 20,000 miles away because you can't hear me, and half the time I can't hear you.
You can hear me.
I can barely hear you. I've had to turn it on speakerphone because I can barely hear you. And I had the same problem with the woman before.
Can you hear me now? Is it okay?
Yes, this is okay, but I had a compressor going off in the background. And I couldn't hear you, and you just kept babbling on, even though I was shouting, stop talking because I can't hear you over the compressor.
Okay, now you can hear me. So I'm telling you, you can see all the reports of your computer. What is
Yeah.
the problem, right?
Yeah.
Now, as I told you, we get only those people who are having the problem because most of the people, they're giving us a call and then we're providing the services.
Right.
As we can see that your computer is continuously generating errors on the warning.
Yeah.
In order to check out what actually going wrong in your computer, we give you the call. Okay?
Right.
So right now to find out what is the root cause of the problems, we need to do a scan in your computer.
Right.
Scanning the computer, we will tell you the main of the person. And according to the scanning results, we will tell you what it says, what it means, and what we need to do to fix up these problems permanently. Okay?
Yeah.
All right, sir?
Yes.
And can you tell me how old is this computer?
Well, it's got Windows 10 on it, so it can't be that old.
Sorry?
It's got Windows 10 on it, so it can't be that old.
Okay, sir. So now just wait. We are scanning the computer.
Right. And what are you scanning the computer with? Because there's nothing here that shows it's scanning.
What do you think, sir?
I said, what are you scanning it with? Because there's nothing on the screen showing it's scanning. Right. Okay.
Just wait, sir. Just wait. We are doing it. It's not like it we told you and we start the process. Okay? We need to finish one work and we will start another.
Right.
Now you can see the black box on your screen. It says Windows System 32, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay. Yeah, now in the black box, our technician is already started the scanning. So let's finish. Once it will complete it, we will tell you what it says and what we need to do. Okay?
Right.
And now you can see the scanning is still going on or it is completed.
Yeah, no, it's still going on by the look of it.
Okay. It will take a couple of minutes to complete the scan. Just wait for it. Let it complete. Okay, now the scanning is completed now, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, now you can see the technician is highlighted you the scanning report, right?
Right, yeah.
Now these are the scanning reports which we found after the scanning. And now you can see what the scanning says. It is saying
Well,
how much problems
I don't know,
computer and you know what problems. You can see it is highlighted. You can
I can see what your batch program's done, yeah.
sorry?
I can see what your batch program has done, yeah.
Yeah, so you need to read that out, then I will explain you.
Well, malware protection not found is bollocks because we've got AVG Cloud Care on here. IP address not protected. Never ever heard anything come up with that. But by the look of it, it's clearly you have a batch script telling me to print that out.
Yes, and now these are the reports, and I hope you understand how much problems are there in your computer. The security of your computer is not good, it's totally down.
Yeah.
Why? Because you having not a malware protection in your computer. Each and every computer is having the malware protection.
Right. Okay.
This malware protection is not right now in the computer.
Yeah.
Why it is asking to activate the malware protection? Because it must be running in your computer. So you haven't reactivated or you forget to activate it.
You're right. Okay. So like you said earlier, you can fix this free of charge.
Such services is free. There is no charge for the services. But
Right.
for the activation of the malware protection, it's going to cost you a one-time payment, okay?
But I have malware protection that I've already paid for.
Malware protection, because it... Yes? What did you say?
I said I have malware protection that I have already paid for.
It's not having in your computer. It's having in your computer. Why the scanning report showing you, sir? Why it's telling you to activate it? This malware protection is not there in your computer. You can see how much problems, some serious problems.
Oh.
You can see your IP
Oh, look. Virus and malware protection loaded on my computer.
Listen to me, so let me finish. Hello?
Yeah, I've got... Look, if you look on my screen, there is clear antivirus and malware protection on my computer.
Are you having that antivirus? Which antivirus you have?
You can see it. It's on there. It says AVG Cloud Care Antivirus. It reports to our computer supplier to like, so if we have a problem with our machine, they know about it at the same time we do. Have you not heard of AVG Cloud Care Antivirus?
The antivirus is a different thing. The malware protection is a different thing. Antivirus is running under this malware protection.
Yes, AVG Cloud Care Antivirus also provides malware protection.
And whatever the software and programming files are running, it is running under this. Because if we will not activate it, you cannot able to use the computer. Okay? This computer will unlock and you can't able to do any single work in this computer. Because you can see how much problem. Some hacking file detected in your computer. Your image is not protected. Halloween virus is detected in your computer.
Right, you mean you've just transferred a virus to my machine now, is what you're saying.
Sorry?
You've just transferred a file that will now lock down my machine.
So we haven't transferred. We are.
Well, why is it asking for a password that you're going to store in to stop it working?
Yeah, now we are showing you the which you have in your computer,
No, you're disabling my computer. You are disabling my computer. Do you think I'm stupid? You've just loaded an application to lock me out of my computer unless I pay you this money. Do you really think I'm fucking stupid?
Have I told you anytime you are stupid? Have I told you?
No, but put it this way. You've just... Oi, listen, I would listen if I was you. Right, reboot my machine.
What do you say?
Reboot my machine and you can give me that password that you've just put on as well.
Yes, because you are talking like this. You are talking to all the persons, sir. You're so rude, sir. This is not the way to talk to someone.
No, this is the way you speak. No, this is the way you speak to a scam artist that's phoning up customers, clearly, basically hacking in, getting it access, obtaining access into their computers because of their naivety, and then you lock their machine, and then you tell them that they now have to pay you to actually unlock their machine. You are one of the companies. We have God knows how many customers come in to our computer shop. Yes, we're a computer shop. Do you think I'd allow you access into a machine that was of any use?
Sure.
Unlock my machine.
Computer back up.
Unlock my machine. You have a minute to unlock my machine, remove your software off it, else I will be putting you to the fraud department.
If you will not say sorry, I will not.
Okay, I'll say sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. But what I am stating is a complete and utter true fact. You are clearly locking people's machines down. You are clearly locking people's machines down so they cannot use their machines, and you are holding them to ransom for your software. If you were genuinely Microsoft, you would have not have just done what you've done.
You are showing your smartness. If you want to unlock the computer, you have to do only one thing.
Okay.
Create the malware protection, okay?
Right, what?
Do that, it is okay. Otherwise, there's one option, sir, okay? Simple, one option, forget the computer.
Right, what's the one option then?
Okay? You have to do that. You have to activate the malware protection in your computer.
Yeah, so you're now holding me to ransom.
We don't have so much time to talk to you. We have other customers. You have just 10 seconds. Tell me what you want. If yes, then we will continue. Otherwise, we are leaving it. You will not use the computer.
That's fine. It's a computer that basically we allow our 5-year-old son to use, and it will take me about 10 minutes to restore it back to factory. I don't care you've locked my machine.
All the problems of sir, we will fix all the problems of your computer if we can activate the malware protection.
I'm not paying for malware protection that I already have.
Asking the numbers, right? What are the numbers? It is the malware protection number which we will type it. We will put it in this password.
No, what you have.
And then we will start working your computer.
Right,
If you will not do that, we are not able to help you anymore. It's just simple and short.
Okay, could you please put me on to manager, please?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
If you want to talk to our manager, you have to wait around half an hour because he's the right.
Why? Because you've locked thousands or even millions of people out of their computers to ransom them for some shitty malware software that they don't require.
People think that most of the people, they do this.
No, you are alluring people. You are alluring naive people into gaining access to their computers, and then you're locking them out and forcing them to pay your ransom for this software. If this was a malware protection software, I would not be locked out. I am a computer store. We have seen this numerous times. We have been waiting for the day that you call us up and pretend to be Microsoft so we can actually show customers what you actually do. And the video with all your conversation will be leaking onto YouTube very shortly. So I suggest you unlock my computer, or we will be unleashing the video that we have of your company hacking our system. And we will also pass the video to Action Fraud. We have your telephone number. As you can see, we have a telephone number for your company. So we will be, you've got a choice. You can either unlock our computer, or the video goes online and notifies everyone. And I will make sure there are God knows how many hashtags in there, so nobody will ever fall for your scam again. You have 30 seconds to unlock my machine, remove the software. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22. I'd get a manager on if I was you. 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15.
What you're counting?
I am counting down your time to unlock my machine and remove your software off my machine. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and this is going on YouTube. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Right. You are now pulled out of my machine, as I've just pulled the plug, and now you'll be going on YouTube. I hope you have a good day, and I hope you don't manage to scam anyone else ever again. Goodbye.